All right, what's up? What's going on?
It's Sunday, so we're going on a hike today.
All right. Did I wake up late? Yes, I did. Not on purpose. I was watching the Spurs win the Western Conference Finals last night. All right. We're about to take this little Gohan. Gohan, say hello. Say hello. Yeah, we about to go on a nice little hike. But let's get him some breakfast real quick so he's got the energy to go. And then let's get the fuck out of here. That's how we do it. You hungry? You want some? Yeah? Oh, big stretch. Yeah, okay, he's hungry. I would put the extra fresh pet and stuff up in there, but since we're about to go on a little drive to the hike, I don't want him farting in the car. Yeah, it's all you. Go ahead and enjoy.
I think you got it all, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash that down.
What's up? All right, we picking up our friend real quick and getting some food from Wawa because I need a bite, and then we gone. It's only like 20-30 minutes away, I think. So quick trip. All right. So as you can tell from Gohan's excitement, we've made it. We about to hop out the whip. I haven't been to this trail spot, but it's like 6 miles, I think, and we're gonna knock that out. Hopefully he is knocked the fuck out afterwards. That's the main goal. So let's go. Once I get a little bit further in, he gets a little of his jitters out the way. That's when we'll go no leashy leash. What's up? Stinky butt. It's getting real sticky up in here. I'm glad I got a guide dog leading the way. I would have been lost hours ago. Yep, right. Let's see. 5.5 kilometers in. I think we got like 12 or 11. I don't know. Either way, it feels great out. Sun shining. Gohan's being Gohan. Alright, we made it to a nice little spot. Well, if the water was nicer, that'd be nice. Gohan, you thirsty? I could use some water. We've got water. We've got drinks. Gohan, come over here. Look at this guy. Gohan. Gohan.
20 minutes later.
Gotta let the water come out, man. There.
It's your tasty boy.
Alright. We're back at it. Gohan. The fuck? You're kind of a special one, aren't you? You're a special one. Where are you going? Oh, this is nice. Hey, you're not gonna fucking pull me down. We have made it back. Where's that? It's time to get you cleaned up. Get this guy. Get the paws cleaned off first. Yeah, dirty boy. Good boy. Alright. Gotcha, bitch. You ain't getting my guy? No, sir. Yeah. Good boy. All right. That's that. We're about to pull into the crib. What's up? What's up? What's up? Come over here. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Can't see you over there. Come over here. Want some camera time? What's up? What's up? Say hello. Say hello. We're pulling into home right now. Either way, it was a good hike. Gohan was like, he was a good boy, then he was a bad boy, and then he was a good boy again. Definitely some work to be done. But either way, it was good. Very scenic, fresh air. That's all we're here for. And we're back home before 12 to 11 o'clock now, so not too bad. Not too bad. What you think, Gohan? Not too bad? Huh? He's like, bro, just get me out this car. Well, that's it.